Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm so glad you're here. Please let me know how you found out about me. And this is another wonderful collaboration with a friend of mine, Connie from Connie's Creative Nails and Creative Creations. Wow, that's a mouthful. Connie and I have known each other for the last year, I suppose, and we've been helping each other out as much as we can. And she came up with this rustic challenge. So I hope you join us in this rustic challenge. Let's see what I do to get rustic. So here I'm just going to teach you how to make a galvanized steel look with just a regular pie pan that you get from the Dollar Tree, and all you're using is black and white and gray and just stippling it all over with a brush, and there you can see what it looks like. Now to add some texture, because nothing says rustic with a little bit of texture. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge, baking soda, and Himalayan salt, and basically I'm just throwing it onto the material. I'm just throwing it in there, and then I'm Mod Podging it down so it sticks to it and creates a sealant. But then we want to have a rusted look, so I'm going to add some cinnamon and actually learn this technique from Teresa of Our Green Acres. If you watch her, she does this for her shabby chic vintage look, and it's just amazing. And there you can see it, and it's wonderful. It's the perfect color and it's the perfect texture, and it ages and makes anything new look like vintage. And now you'll see the difference between, I'm just putting a little more Mod Podge just to seal down the salts, the baking soda, and of course the cinnamon. There's some more cinnamon. And I'm telling you, your decor never smelled so good after you do this. And there you have it. There's the big difference. And I did the same thing with the little pail that you're just going to see. There it is. And now I'm going to teach you how to make the embellishments. Basically using burlap ribbon. I'm cutting the edges off the ribbon because I want to use that for another part of the decor. Cutting the ribbon in half. It isn't wired now, so I can do whatever I like. And now I'm just fraying both edges of this ribbon, which is going to make it a more rustic look. And there you go. There you see what it looks like. And then with the other half of the ribbon, I'm also going to add an embellishment that makes it look like a wildflower. And you'll see it in just a moment. So with the other half of the ribbon, I have frayed it also on both edges the same way I did it here. And now I'm just going to pull and gather so that it all bunches up in the middle and creates a flower looking like embellishment. You'll see it in just a moment. And then all you have to do is glue the two sides together, and that's it. You create this beautiful round medallion type of embellishment for your little pail. Next, I'm taking this piece of fabric. I've put it in half. I'm sorry, I folded it in half the way you see it right now, but I had also folded it in half lengthwise. And now I'm just cutting up little strips, not all the way down, just halfway down. And this is going to create a beautiful embellishment. Now I'm just fraying the edges so it really looks very rustic, very, shabby chic. And now I'm just going to roll it up. I forgot to cut it down, trim it down a little more, and then you just roll it up to create almost like a chrysanthemum looking type of flower. I don't know why I left that edge at the end, because I was going to use that, I don't know, to do something. I have no idea. And now all I'm going to do is roll it up, and that's going to be the center of our little medallion, and it's going to complete that flower look for our pail. For my second DIY, all I'm going to do is create a rustic lantern, and what I'm using is, it looks like chicken wire. It looks just like chicken wire, but I actually pulled this off of an air conditioning filter that we were just going to throw away, and I noticed it has this mesh on it to keep it, I guess to keep it sturdy as you put it into the air conditioning filter holder thing. And that's what I'm using. I didn't spend any money on that, so I just spent the money on the 4 frames, which already looked pretty rustic because it was like that white, and I liked it with the white. It's kind of farmhousey rustic. And all I'm going to do is create a, I guess, chicken wire or air conditioning wire panel within each frame, and that's going to be the basis of this lantern. And there you go. I have all of them done, or almost done. And then I'm just going to glue the 4 sides together. Next, I'm gluing all 4 sides together. I did add those popsicle sticks to kind of hold the chicken wire, but you really don't need it. And I kind of didn't like the idea after I did it, but it was already done. So that's it. I have created my little lantern, my 4-sided chicken wire lantern to put a nice little candle in. And it really looks very nice on a dining table with a candle inside. Now, I wonder if you can guess what type of material I'm using here. I'm going to tell you right now, this is not wood. This is not wood. If you can figure out what it is before the reveal at the end, and it's very quick, tell me about it. Tell it in the comments below. And basically, here I am using a new stencil from a company that I found me on Instagram. So this is a paid promotion from them. They gave me these stencils, and I'll tell you, it's a great set of stencils that they provide. They're seasonal and they're non-seasonal. This is, non-seasonal. And now I made a mistake. That was my mistake. The stencils are very sturdy, but I overloaded my brush when I did the stenciling. So that's why I'm just going over some areas and fixing it up a bit. Here I want to share with you what happened. I made a boo-boo. Can you see the boo-boo? It's a big boo-boo. So what do you do with the boo-boo? You either cover it with like glitter, lace, ribbon, flowers, something. So here I'm using this wonderful ribbon, of course, from the Dollar Tree, and it's burlap, and it's that zigzag style. I can't remember the name of it right now. It's 11 o'clock at night. I don't think it matters. You know what I'm talking about. That style. It's a cool style. I like it. And there is your clue as to what material I use to make this sign. So all I'm doing is adding my ribbon embellishments, and I'll add some flowers to the end of it, and it'll work out just fine. I really like the way it came out. I don't have a lot of rustic stuff, so I'm hoping this is rustic. I hope I passed the test for rustic, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that this gives you a lot of ideas of what you can use for signs. Instead of wondering where your next piece of wood is going to come from, you can make signs from things that you might have around the house. And this, actually, the foundation of this sign I got absolutely free from Hobby Lobby, so you can ask them there as well. Thanks for watching this. I hope you got inspired by any one of these 3 projects today. What do you think? I like it. I hope you did too. Anyway, I want to thank Connie for inviting me to be her co-host in this rustic challenge. Rustic challenge. Let's get rustic. And I really enjoyed making this. It's a lot of fun, especially with that technique that I learned from Teresa of Our Green Acres. Please check out Connie's channel right here, and please come back and see some more stuff that I'm going to come up with this week and next week and the week after, and for months and months and months to come, God willing. Anyway, thanks again for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe, and remember, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and live the adventure. See you soon. Bye. DIYs, thrift flips, store hauls, live crafting, decor, and more. It's all here at Indiana Jones. Try it out.